Jacob and Company. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon Baguette Black and Orange. Main features are Jacob and Company. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon Baguette Black and Orange is a truly extraordinary timepiece that seamlessly blends high-end horology with automotive design. Engine-inspired design. The watch's design is heavily inspired by the Bugatti Chiron hypercar, featuring a sculptural case that resembles the car's flowing lines. Tourbillon complication centerpiece of the watch is a 30-degree inclined tourbillon, a complex mechanical complication that enhances accuracy. Engine block automaton. The watch features an animated engine block that replicates the movement of the Bugatti Chiron's iconic W16 engine. Exquisite gem setting. The case is lavishly adorned with 190 baguette white diamonds, 109 baguette black sapphires, and 42 baguette orange sapphires, creating a dazzling visual spectacle. Limited edition. The Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon Baguette Black and Orange is produced in limited numbers, making it a highly exclusive and sought-after timepiece.